There's something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. I wore you like perfume. We were like no other.
Hey guys, I just finished chopping up a lemon using this Cool Runnings honey ginger tea, which I really love. Also used a cinnamon stick, which my coworker gave me a bunch of cinnamon sticks a couple weeks back. Fun fact, I also added a green tea bag into here, the cinnamon sticks as I showed you, lemon, candy canes, this Jamieson immune boosting powder. By the way, there's another video featuring, well, not sponsored by, but me using a lot of Jamieson vitamins to show you guys the vitamins that I take every day. So that's down below if you want to watch that. But yeah, I also added, I have these Pedialyte packets, which are basically Pedialyte, let me turn this down, which is basically Pedialyte that you give to children to hydrate them when they have sickness or diarrhea or dehydration or anything. So I have packets of those. I also put one of those in here. And yeah, so this is done. I'm going to pour it in a cup. But yeah, and this has the house smelling amazing too. Just the lemons and the cinnamon and the ginger and, you know, the immune boosting powder, which has elderberry and zinc and ginger and vitamin C in it. Yeah, and there's the cinnamon stick, and the Pedialyte packet was fruit punch flavor. This is really good hot tea, and it smells amazing in here. I'm gonna drink it. Fun fact, when I was taking all the seeds out of the lemons, when I was cutting them, I just used them to start a lemon plant. Didn't get to finish the last clip, but basically this is delicious and good for you and so on. So now I'm going to take a hot relaxing bath. This girl, these muscles, girl, I'm telling you. Oh yeah, I'm going to put some Dr. Teal's in that bath.
There's something that won't let me forget